Lexus has finally stepped into the arena of large-scale electrification. I am Ava. Today, May 7th, 2026, marks the global debut of the all-new Lexus TZ. This isn't just another SUV. It's the brand's first dedicated three-row, all-electric flagship. Built on a specialized driving lounge philosophy, the TZ is designed to transform long-distance travel into a seamless, high-luxury experience. Lexus is aiming for nothing less than absolute silence and effortless power. Let's see if this 5.1-meter sanctuary can actually redefine the luxury family hauler. The interior of the Lexus TZ isn't just a step forward. It's a total reimagining of what a luxury cabin can be in the age of electrification. Lexus has anchored this space in the driving lounge philosophy, and with a staggering 120.1-inch wheelbase, they've created a footprint that allows for true, uncompromised three-row luxury. This is the first time we are seeing a dedicated six-seat configuration where the third row isn't just an afterthought. It is a destination. Let's start with the revolutionary seating architecture. For the first time in a Lexus SUV, both the front passenger and the second-row captain's chairs are equipped with power-adjustable ottomans. In the second row, these seats are more like specialized thrones. They feature a one-touch relaxation mode that reclines the backrest, extends the leg rest, and optimizes the seat cushion angle for zero-gravity comfort. Even the third-row seats have been reimagined with sofa-like cushioning and a lower floor layout made possible by the dedicated BEV platform, ensuring that adult passengers don't feel like they're in a penalty box. The materials here tell a story of sustainable omotenashi. Lexus is introducing forged bamboo surfaces, a technical marvel where bamboo fibers from Shikoku Island are blended into a high-grade resin to create a decorative trim that is as durable as it is beautiful. This is paired with bio-based ultrasuede, a plant-derived material that lines the door shoulders and instrument panels, offering a tactile richness that rivals traditional leathers while moving toward a circular economy. Technically, the cabin is a fortress of silence. Engineers have utilized thicker acoustic window glass, a new aerodynamic door mirror design to minimize wind whistle, and an additional engine, or rather, motor, cover to dampen high-frequency hums. This silent canvas is then filled by the available 21-speaker Mark Levinson PurePlay surround sound system. Using quantum logic immersion and Clarify technology, it reconstructs compressed audio in real time, delivering a 3D soundstage that makes it feel like the artist is sitting right there in the captain's chair next to you. But the real showstopper? The dynamic sky panorama glass roof. This massive panel uses electrochromic technology to switch from transparent to opaque with a single tap, flooding the cabin with natural light or providing instant shade without the need for a heavy mechanical blind. Look at the dash. It features the 14.0-inch Lexus Interface touchscreen, but it's the responsive hidden switch tech that truly impresses. The controls for the climate and essential functions are hidden behind the bamboo and suede panels, illuminating only when your hand approaches. With 7 USB-C ports strategically placed across all three rows and thematic ambient illumination that can sync with your heartbeat or the LFA-inspired soundtrack, the TZ isn't just a car. It is a specialized, multi-sensory environment that redefines first-class travel for the entire family. Technical prowess, 300 kilowatts, DIRECT4 and V10 soundtrack. Underneath the sonic Tellus body lies a serious powerhouse. The TZ comes exclusively with a DIRECT4 all-wheel drive system, pumping out a combined 300 kilowatts. That's 402 horsepower. With a 95.8 kilowatt-hour battery, it promises a range of up to 620 kilometers. But here's the wild part. Lexus has introduced the interactive manual drive and an artificial soundtrack that emulates the legendary LFA's V10 engine. It's a multi-sensory technical flex that brings soul to the silent EV world. 0 to 100? Just 5.4 seconds. This is technical precision meets emotional engagement. Visually, the Lexus TZ is a masterclass in what the designers call provocative simplicity. Measuring a commanding 5,100 millimeters in length, it carries the undeniable presence of a flagship, yet it manages to look incredibly light and agile. This isn't the bulky, upright silhouette we've grown accustomed to in the three-row segment. Instead, the TZ features a low-slung, tapering roofline and a sharply raked D-pillar that gives it a sport-back energy usually reserved for much smaller performance crossovers. The evolution of the Lexus identity is most apparent at the front. The traditional spindle grille has officially transformed into a seamless spindle body. Because there's no combustion engine to cool, the face is almost entirely closed off, creating a smooth, monolithic surface that integrates the triple-beam LED headlamps and the L-shaped daytime running lights into a single, aerodynamic unit. But every curve here is dictated by the wind. The TZ achieves a class-leading drag coefficient of 0.27. To get a 5.1-meter SUV to slice through the air like that, Lexus engineers utilized some serious technical wizardry. We're talking about active shutter grills in the lower bumper, a completely flat underbody shielded by carbon fiber reinforced panels, and semi-flush door handles that present themselves only when needed. Look at the rear. The signature, unified, light bar isn't just a styling element. It's shaped to act as a functional spoiler, managing airflow to reduce lift at high speeds. It sits on massive, available 22-inch aero-optimized wheels that use specialized vane designs to pull heat away from the brakes while minimizing turbulence. And despite its size, it remains incredibly maneuverable thanks to dynamic rear steering, which allows the rear wheels to turn up to 4 degrees. This gives this 5-meter giant a turning radius comparable to a compact sedan. It is a commanding, high-tech fortress that manages to be both aerodynamically invisible to the wind and visually impossible to ignore on the road. The final verdict? The Lexus TZ is a specialized tool for the family that refuses to compromise on heritage or high-tech. It's the ultimate expression of electrified luxury. Stay fast. Stay smart. I am Ava. Does the LFA-inspired soundtrack make the TZ a winner for you? Or is the driving lounge comfort the real headline? Let's talk in the comments. Join the Vision Effect family, and I'll see you at the launch.